Да, здесь слышно.
Roger that, HQ. We'll begin wake-up procedure.
Ship systems, Dart 6.1, initializing.
Okay, it's time to wake up.
Welcome to Ship System, Dart 6.1. Initializing Dart overlay.
All units, the subject is operational.
Exit this area immediately. Detecting structural weakness. Recommend brute force assault.
Around the murderer, believed to be responsible for the gun. And caused damage to Eurocorp in excess of $120 million.
Exit is closed. Local power grid is offline. Power grid governor detected in this vicinity. Main power grid restored. Dart overlay highlights enemy positions. The Kusanagi rifle's secondary fire penetrates light cover.
Glad to have you back, Kilo. Let's get you in the chair. Security, go ahead and clean up the proving grounds. Sit down, Kilo. I need your post-mission stats. Subject is secure. Data. Whoa, that's odd. Wait, let me just... Unusual activity. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. Okay, this part is classified.
But protocol states
What? You're lecturing me on protocol for my project. Out! You're very valuable. Everybody wants a piece of you. Tell you what, Kilo. How about I give you something instead?
Chip-to-chip upgrades initiated.
Hello, Lily. You know Agent Merritt, don't you?
Wow. Famous Dr. Lily Drawl.
Hello, Jack, Merritt. This is a surprise.
I want to see how my new prodigy is performing. You know I've had my doubts, but I've got to tell you, Dart 6... It's going to revolutionize the chip industry. And this guy, he just keeps on surprising us. Right, Kilo? Ready for assignment?
He did well, but I'm still tweaking it.
Time for tweaking is over, Lily. We need to talk mass implementation for Dart 6 and all agents.
What we need is more time, Jack. We're not ready.
That's not my impression. Kilo proved Dart 6 works. Unless
So,
I'm missing something.
Kilo, you just keep surprising us. Volunteering to sign up for the prototype despite the risk of brain cancer. A real prodigy, all right. Or was it the thought of getting your head examined by the very lovely Dr. Droll? Yeah, I'd buy that.
What?
Nothing, Dr. Droll.
Kilo. Lily here is not sure you're ready for a field mission. But Merritt thinks otherwise. And I'd like to find out if he's right. I've got this little thing coming up that you'd be just perfect for. Meet Gary Chang, Chief Psych Engineer at Aspari. They're equivalent to Lily here.
Except for the looks.
My sources indicate he's working on something that's just a little bit too much like the Dart 6. It's a clear patent infringement. Actually, it's worse than that. We're starting to think that someone in our court is leaking data.
Got a leak, a rat, a mole.
That's not possible.
Well, the point is, if they beat us to the punch, their agents get the edge over ours. And I won't permit that. I want this dealt with now.
Everything's set. We're leaving tonight. You and me, Kilo.
I don't like this, Jack. Kilo's not stabilized yet. He could glitch out.
Eurocop has an excellent safety record, Lily. You should know that. Kilo, go over to Aspari with Merritt. Take care of this Chang problem for me. We're on the verge of something great. Let's not mess it up.
Someone fixed us up with an Aspari copter. It's waiting for us on the roof. Come on, show me how great you are.
Database access is restored.
Come on, Kilo, let's go. Next stop, Aspari South, City of Angels. I think you're gonna like this.
Дорогие друзья, на этом первая серия будет конец. Всем удачи.
Dark space tactical simulation initiated. Activating performance tests for Dart 6 suicide application. This application forces a human chip carrier to commit suicide. Enter the practice area to begin test. The DART Tactical Overlay is available for enhanced combat effectiveness. When active, this mode tracks strategic objects and enemy positions, even behind cover. DART Overlay also enhances agent damage resistance, responsiveness, and breach capacity. This is crucial for your survival in combat. Starting test. Activating suicide application. Test it in the following scenarios. Suicide application always affects the area surrounding the target. Practice area complete. Breach applications are powered by adrenaline. Optimal use in combat will refill your breach applications faster. Enter the challenge area to test the full potential of the suicide application. Starting challenge. You gain adrenaline from kills and breach spikes. Breach spikes occur when you perform a perfect breach. For this challenge, you must eliminate the minimum number of acquired targets. Your performance will be evaluated. Well done. Exit the simulation.